Hi guys, welcome to Electronic Curiosities. So today I am going to show you how to install Bitdefender on your PC or a laptop from Amazon, and it will be based on the email page activation. So there will be no CD required for this. The seller will send you the email for activation. So let's buy it, and this process will be same for any other antivirus. So I'm buying this Bitdefender antivirus plus latest version with ransomware protection. So I'm searching for the offer, and I have got this offer of 175 rupees for 3 years. So I will provide a link in the description. You can just check if it is available till you are watching the video. So let's order this on Amazon. The process will be same for all antiviruses. The seller will send you the email activation link, and he will send you some steps how to go with that. So I'm going to show you the same thing but in the proper manner. So let's order this now. I'm ordering this on through my phone, and then I will show you how to install on your laptop or a PC. So place order with your debit card online or your credit card. Place order and pay. So this is the very easiest method. There is no CD required here, only email based activation. The seller will send you the email and you are ready to go within the 1 day. Within a 1 day, or it will send you within 30 minutes or even less than that. So I got this email within 3 or 4 minutes. So you can see my email message here. So I got the OTP to order for. I will show the message which I got within 3 or 4 minutes, or in your case if it is internet connection low, then it may go to 2 or 3 hours. So let's see. So I got this message. You can see activation key for account order Bitdefender, registration email ID on Amazon. So it has sent me, the seller has sent me the activation email on my registered Amazon account. So you can see I am here in my order list. So you have to open that email which the seller has sent you. So this is my email. So you can see this is Bitdefender antivirus plus latest version with ransomware protection with activation key. You can see the activation key here. This is for one user, and you can use for one user for one system. So I already used this key, so you can't use it. So you have to go through this and you have to read this. So I'm going to show you the same steps through this. So you have to go on the central.bitdefender.com. They have given the link. So you have to open on the PC where you are going to install this Bitdefender antivirus. And one more thing guys, if you are going to install this, please uninstall your previous antivirus, because it may affect while installing your this Bitdefender on it. So another antivirus, first you have to uninstall the previous one. So you have to read this all and go to your PC and open the central.bitdefender.com. So let's see. So now let's see on the PC. Type central.bitdefender on your any browser, your favorite browser. Type central.bitdefender.com. So I'm going to Bitdefender Central. So you'll get here. So you have to create your account first. So first full name, your email ID which you have ordered from Amazon, and the password you have to create here. So I have already created my account, so I am signing with my Google Plus. So then after signing, you will be getting this dashboard which is with your name of the email ID, and then you have to add your activation code there where you have got the email. So that activation code you have to add here. You will get the activation code for, I have already done that. They have also here the support tutorial, so how to install Bitdefender and frequently asked question, and also you can see, you can call them, you can email them, or you can chat with them if you have any problem with Bitdefender. So they have better service, and you can check a new offer here. This is like your dashboard, online dashboard. So you can see activation 0 out of 1. So I have not installed it now. I have already, now I'm installing with you guys. So let's see. So go on my device, then click on this install protection on your device. So it will show you this what product you want to install, security, VPN or personal control. So I'm going to install security on my system, security for my Windows laptop. Then they will ask you other devices or on this device. So if you want to other device, then you can share the link, or if you want on your device, then click on this device. After that there will be downloading on your system, so you have to select the location and download it. I have downloaded in my download section. After downloading, you have to go in that location and right click on that. Let's see. So guys, before installing this you have to uninstall your previous antivirus, so it will otherwise it will create a problem. So right click here and run as administrative. So uninstall your previous antivirus, so otherwise it will create a problem in your system. It will take some time to install. So let's see here. So preparing your system for installation. This process will be same for all antivirus, or if you are ordering from Amazon via a link or email, the seller will send you the link, and based on that you have to go. The seller will send you the link within 2 or 3 hours, or in my case I got it in 4 minutes. Here the downloading Bitdefender security starting. So it is 514 MB total size. It will download, it will take time based on your internet connection. I have just fast forwarded it, so it will not waste your time and the video will be much longer. That's why I forwarded it. So guys, let's see till 100%. If you have any queries, just comment below. I will answer your queries. Let's see. So after it will 98%, 99%. So preparing your Bitdefender product, there is another process you have to say, guys. So you can see Bitdefender security. Select install. Automatic. Welcome to Bitdefender security tailored network threat protection, multi-layer and software protection, automatic updates. So there will be your dashboard on online where your email is signed in, where you get all the updates, and also your system get updates for new threats. So it is automatically you will get the update sign for new threads. If there is any new threads, then changes in the software in Bitdefender, they will send you updates. So this is very good antivirus I used. So this is for my 3 years plan of 175 rupees. I will provide a link in the description. If the offer is still there, you can use it. So guys, this is an email based activation of antivirus from Amazon. So now my antivirus is installed. So you can say finish. So my antivirus is installed, and you can see on this laptop, this is your online dashboard. You are safe now. This message I got, you are safe now, and it is installed one of one. So my subscription, you can see a one of one it used, and now you can't use it because it's installed on my system. So if you're ordering new, then you have to install your activation code, which provided by your seller, by the seller, which seller will send you the link as I showed you in the beginning. Based on your internet connection, the seller will send you the link, and you'll get within 1 or 2 hours. I got in 4 hours, 4 minutes. So you will get it in 4 or 8 or it in 1 working day. So they are sending you the link. Now this is a setting you have to do. From setting, I have connected my internet. So they will ask you, this is not a private, so can you just select it. And now here you have to just some setting you have to do based on your requirements. So you can do that by your own requirements. How to start with ransomware to protect your device from ransomware, and then you have to activate that. So guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe for more things my YouTube channel, and share this video if anyone who want to install this software on their laptop or PC. You can install via email. So you can also set the password to your Bitdefender. So guys, if you like, you can subscribe, and if you have any doubts, comment below. They also have a darker mode in the Bitdefender, so you can also prefer the darker mode if you like dark mode. So I prefer it to darker mode. It looks good. So it's successfully installed on my PC. So if you have any doubt, they have a support system. You can call them, you can chat with them, they will help you. They also have to